Salam sejahtera to everyone. Okay, now let's discuss kinematics dalam bab velocity straight away. Okay, let's discuss the example for the simple question example, and then the question velocity v meter per second of particle, okay, moving along a straight line is given by v equals to 20 plus 8t minus t squared at time t second after passing through a fixed point O. Okay, so this is the diagram, right? Okay, this is O and t equals to 0. Okay, the particle is passing through O, and this is right. This is the diagram. Okay, so question A, find initial. Okay, just you remember initial meaning when initial meaning give you t equals to 0. Alright, so let's say Vt equals to 20 plus 8t minus t squared is Vt equals to 0, 20 plus 8 times 0 minus 0 squared. So V for initial velocity, alright, is okay 20. Okay, question B, right? Initial acceleration, alright. So initial, okay, one thing, t equals to 0, and now acceleration. Okay, so you know the function given is velocity, right? When we want to to find acceleration, so we have to differentiate respect to t of v, okay, velocity. So equals to dt, okay, 20 plus 8t minus t squared, alright, differentiate 20, 0, alright, plus 8, alright, minus 2t. Okay, and then when t equals to 0, so a0 equals to 8 minus 2 0, so equals to 8, right? So this is answer for B. Okay, and question C, the maximum velocity. Alright, it is given the maximum, alright, maximum velocity, alright, when v max, okay, meaning a equals to 0. Okay, it is given, you know, a equals to 2t, 8 minus 2t. Alright, when a equals to 0, 8 minus 2t, okay, 2t bring to the left, so 2t equals to 8, therefore t equals to 4. Okay, back to question, ask you to find the maximum velocity. So therefore, alright, v max equals to t equals to 4, right? So 20 plus 8 times 4 minus bracket 4 squared. Okay, by using calculator, 20 plus 32 minus 16, so equals to 36. Okay, and then D, okay, the interval. Okay, the interval when particle move to the right, so move to the right, alright, is greater than 0. Okay, so if you can see, alright, the v function v equals to 20 plus 8t minus t squared. Okay, so that means we have to sketch, alright, the graph of vt against t. Okay, so this is the negative. Okay, if you v equals to 0 and you factorize the function, so you get t squared minus 8t minus 20 equals to 0. Okay, you factorize, so you get t equals to negative 2 and t equals to 10. So t plus 2, t minus 10. Okay, that means when t equals to 0, okay, so this is negative 2 and 10. Okay, because of the particle move to the right, greater than 0, so kita lorekkan yang atas. Okay, that means the interval is t between 0 and 10. So this is the answer. Alright, so now soalan D ni ada kaitan dengan graph ni. Okay, soalan D iaitu the total the distance travel in the first 3 second. Okay, so first 3 second, that means let's say this is 3 equals to t equals to 3. That means the distance travel, okay, the distance travel first 3 second meaning is area under curve of this diagram. Okay, so how to find the area, the shaded region? Alright, so equals to, kita kena integrate, okay, for the first 3 second, that means 3 to 0. Okay, of v t respect to t. Okay, this is how you find the distance travel, alright, in the first 3 second. Okay, iaitu luas di bawah graf untuk yang saya lorekkan ini. Okay, so equals to 30. Right, the velocity is 20 plus 8t minus t squared dt. Alright, integrate, so 20t plus 8t squared over 2 minus t power of 3 over 3. Okay, so you can simplify for 1. Okay, for limit 3 0, so equal to 20t plus 4t squared minus t power of 3 over 3 0. Alright, so let's say for limit 3, okay, equals to 20 plus 20t. Alright, 20t, that means 20 times 3 plus 4 times 3 squared minus 3 power of 3 over 3. Alright, and then okay, for 0, alright, because of if you can see all the terms in terms of t, that means kalau if you substitute 0, okay, we will get 0. Okay, so right, equals to using calculator 60 plus 36 minus 9 and then minus 0. Okay, so the answer equals to 87 meter. Okay, this is how, again, this is how you determine the distance travel. Okay, by integrate, okay, and the area of under curve. Okay, let's discuss question IGCSE standard examination. Okay, this is for you, alright, so that you remember how to integrate. Okay, now right, a particle, let's straight to the point. A particle, okay, moving in a straight line, passes through fixed point O. Velocity t second after passing through O is given by v equals to 3 cos 2t minus 1 for t greater than 0 or equal to 0. Okay, so the question, alright, find the value, alright, of t when particle first at rest. Okay, when first at rest. Okay, so first at rest meaning sama juga dengan stop instantaneously. Okay, when stop equal instantaneously, it give you the information v equals to 0. Alright, so this is in already, v is equals to 0, so straight away 3 cos 2t minus 1 equals to 0. And then find the value of t. Alright, 3 cos 2t equals to 1. Okay, kita bawa ke kanan, 1 cos 2t equals to 1 over 3. And you get 2t equals to 1 point, right, to be clear, cos, so 1 over 3. Okay, therefore t equals to 2t equals to 1.231. Therefore t equals to 0.616 by using calculator. Alright, so again, if you need this information, right, and then second question, find the displacement from O when particle of the particle when t equals to pi over 4. Okay, pi over 4, actually this is in unit radian. Okay, so calculator tu kamu kena tukar dalam unit R. Okay, alright, displacement, it is given the function is in velocity, so kita nak displacement, kita mengundur ke belakang, that means kita kena st equals to differentiate v, okay, function t dt. Okay, so differentiate 3 cos 2t minus 1 bracket dt. Okay, so we get equal to 3. Okay, if you integrate cos 2t, alright, integrate cos 2t, you get, alright, you get sin x plus c. Okay, so 3 sin 2t over 2, okay, minus t, alright, plus c. Okay, so if you can see, okay, so t, so s equals to st, so equals to, because of t equals to 0 because of passes through O, therefore v equals to 0, right, therefore c equals to 0, so st equals to 3 over 2, 3 over 2 sine 2t, alright, minus t, alright, plus 0 for C, okay. Okay, because of the particle when t equals to pi over 4, okay, as pi over 4, so equals to 3 over 2 sin 2 times pi over 4 minus t is pi over 4. Okay, just using your the calculator, right? So 3 over 2 times sin pi over 2 is 1 minus pi over 4 using calculator, right? 3 over 2 minus pi over 4 equals to 0.715. Alright. Okay, question 3. Okay, find the acceleration of the particle when it first at rest. Okay, first at rest. Okay, when first at rest, okay, meaning we get, right, first at rest is from the question 1, okay, which is t equals to 0.616. Okay, this is from question number 1, Roman 1. Okay, Roman 1, t equals to 0.616. Okay, so now the acceleration. Okay, therefore to find acceleration, okay, we have to differentiate the vt. Okay, so equals to d dt. Okay, the ni 3 cos 2t minus 1, right, differentiate, right, so you get differentiate cos, you will get differentiate cos, you will get negative sin 2t. Okay, differentiate 2t, you get 2, right, minus 0. Okay, differentiate 1, negative 1, you get 0. So 3 times 2, so you get negative 6 sine 2t, and then substitute a equals to right, 0.616 equals to negative 6 sine 2 times 0.616, okay, equals to negative 6 sine 1.232, so get negative 5.659. Okay, so if you can realize, okay, if you can see, okay, any IGCSE standard form standard examination, okay, soalan dia tidak berbentuk function direct macam soalan SPM. Okay, biasanya, okay, dia dalam bentuk trigonometric function maybe, and mungkin exponential function. Okay, so I hope you understand what we are going to what we discussed just now. Okay, till now, thank you.